Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here, Val, and welcome to the update on ZRX. In my earlier videos of ZRX, I was showing you that after the breakout from a big and long-term down channel, the price line of ZRX broke out another down channel, and this was one of those videos. Now, if we take a look at the live daily time frame, then you can see that after the breakout from this channel, we had a very nice pump. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel that I was telling you in my previous videos was here at the top of the channel at 61 cents, and you can see that the price line rallied beyond that target up to approximately 63.2 cents. And by the way, from this though, when last time it was testing the support of this channel up till this current high, it was almost 303%, very massive pump. And for a while, we also broke out this long-term resistance of 70 cents as well. But again, moved down and while retesting the previous resistance of 70 cents as a support, the pricing could not save this level and drop down. And right now, we are breaking down the next long-term support of 39 cents as well. That was recently working as a very strong resistance here for several days or weeks. And now after this breakdown, it can again work as a strong resistance for the price. And by the way, we had a nice short bounce, but the price then again moved down, and now we have broken down this support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term down channel as well. You can see that after the breakout, we had a very massive pump, but the price then could not break out this resistance of $1.45. That was previously breaking at the resistance here. And now again, it is working as a strong resistance, and we will also analyze this rally as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup of PYR, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade setup, like the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And you can also watch when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 25th of January 2025 in my members. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now, let me take you to the live chart of ZRX. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that previously we broke out this channel. We had a nice pump. The price is now again dropped down and breaking down this very significant support of 39 cents that was previously breaking as a resistance here for several weeks. And before that, it was breaking as a resistance here. And now after this breakdown, it can be flipped into a strong resistance for the price line of ZRX. And now we are about to test the next support, a quite long-term support of 30 cents. Take a look at the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that this 30 cents has been previously working as a very strong resistance here for a few weeks and support here and almost as support here as well. And therefore, again, it can work as a strong support for the price line of SLP. By the way, here we also have this uptrend line, a very long-term uptrend line support as well. That is coming from the month of March 2020. We had a bounce here, and then the bounce here, and then the bounce here, and this was the last bounce that was happening here in the month of September 2023. And for example, if the price in breaks down all these support levels, then again, we may see another bounce from this uptrend line support. So far, so good. We have two very strong and long-term support before this uptrend line support. And I'm expecting that if the price then drops down here at this support of 30 cents, then we may see another bounce from this support. And by the way, after 30 cents, we will have another support here at 22 cents. That was previously breaking as a support here. And before that, it was breaking as a support here as well. And here for a few weeks, it was also breaking as a support. Now, if you take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term down channel, you can see that on the 7 days time frame chart, we have already broken out this big and long-term down channel. And we had a very a nice and massive pump. By the way, from this low to here, it was almost 873% pump. But so far, the price and did not hit the target for the breakout from this channel. That move is still due. That target can be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $2.50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.